Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Preller here with your Skills Block lesson of the day. For today's lesson, you won't need any materials, just to follow along. Our learning target is I can name the long and short vowel sounds. That means that the long vowel sounds say their name and the short vowel sounds don't. And I can add the magic E to words to read the new word. Before we get started, let's review the two sounds that vowels make. Say it with me. A, alligator, or A. So is the short sound and A is the long sound because A is saying its name. O, octopus, or O. Is the short sound, O is the long sound. E, elephant, or E. Is the short sound, E is the long sound. I, iguana, or I. Is the short sound, I is the long sound. U, umbrella, or U. Is the short sound, U is the long sound. Now we're going to take a look at some pictures. These are going to have words that are going to either have the long or short O sound. Okay, so we're going to want to listen for the O sound in the word and then decide, is that O saying its name or not? Is it long or short? So this is an octopus. There's the O at the beginning of octopus. Say octopus. Is the sound short or long? Is the short sound. Octopus. This is an ocean. Tell me the sound you hear at the beginning of ocean. That's right. Ocean. Is O short or long? O is the long sound because it's saying its name. Now let's listen for the O sound inside the word. This word is note. Tap out and listen for the O sound in note. Did you tap out oat? What was that middle sound? O. Is O short or long? O is long. When it says its name, it's long. This is a Coke. Tap out Coke and listen for the O sound. Did you tap out O? Coke? What did you hear in the middle? That's right. O. Is O short or long? O is long. Good job. So you were able to tell me when it was short, like octopus, and when it was long, like ocean. Good job. Now let's go over the magic E rule. The magic E makes the vowel say its name. So in this word, the magic E is making you say you, and the E itself is silent. When we get to the E, we won't make any sounds. Let's sound it out. Cute. Cute. The U is saying you in cute. Nice job. Now we're going to play the Add the Magic E game. At first, the word does not have a magic E, so the O is going to say the short sound ah. But when we add that magic E, it's going to change from ah to O. So let's get started. I'm going to model on the first one. Right now, this word says h, ah, p, hop. But when we add that magic E, the O is going to say O. So I'm going to draw that to remind me. And now we have hope. Hope. Hop changed to hope when you added the magic E. Nice. I'm going to model one more and then I'm going to ask you to try. So right now this word says dot. But when I add the magic E, the O goes from saying ah to saying O. It's going to say its name. So now we have dote. Dot turned into dote when we added the magic E. Now let's try this word together. Sound it out with me. Right now there's no magic E, so O is going to say the short sound ah. Ready? Y, ah, yak. That's a nonsense word. Let's see what yak turns into when we add the magic E. Remember that the magic E is going to make O say O. Y, o, yolk. Yak turned into yolk when we added the magic E. Let's keep going. What does this word say? Sound it out with me. Mop. Let's see what mop turns into when we add the magic E. What's the magic E going to do again? That's right, it's going to make O say its name. It's going to say O. Ready? Let's sound it out now. O, mope. So mop turned into mope when we added the magic E. Now I'm going to have you try this one on your own. Try sounding it out without the magic E. Ready? Did you sound out d, dom? Yep, that's another nonsense word. Let's find out what happens when we add the magic E. Try sounding it out now. Did you sound out d, dome? Dom turned into dome when we added the magic E. Try on this one. Did you sound out k, odd, cod? You did, great job using that short O sound. Now that there's a magic E, we're going to say O, the long sound. Ready? Give it a try. Did you sound out k, ode, code? If you did, great job. Last one. Try sounding this word out on your own. Did you sound out not? Not? You did, great work. Try sounding it out now that it has the magic E. Did you get to oat, note? If you did, great work. Boys and girls, you did an amazing job turning a short vowel word to a long vowel word. My reflecting on learning question is, what does the magic E do to a word? And I'm going to write the word not again. When we add that magic E, what does it do to the word not? Yup, it turns it into note because it's making the O say its name. Remember, the magic E makes the vowel say its name. Say that with me. The magic E makes the vowel say its name. That's a very important rule to remember. My next question is, what two sounds does the letter O make? Remember, O, octopus, ah, or O. Ah is the short sound, O is the long sound. And how is knowing both sounds going to help us with reading or writing? Well, when we get to a tricky word and we try sounding out and it doesn't make sense, you can use the reading strategy called flip the vowel. When you flip the vowel, you change it from the short sound to the long sound or the long sound to the short sound, and you see if you can figure out that word and make it make sense. So boys and girls, your homework is to notice magic E words when reading books. So tonight, if you're reading a story with your child and you see a magic E word, you can point it out, or you can ask your child to find it themselves. Great work today, everybody. That concludes our lesson. I had a wonderful time learning with you, and I can't wait to learn with you again tomorrow.